Hello, you wanna go out? Here you go. Alright guys, welcome to the Fixed Gear Everesting bike check. This is the bike I used to Everest. Take you through things I did. It's not my usual setup. I'm usually working on this bike. Maybe this isn't the best. Maybe I'll put it outside so it looks nicer. Eating a bit of Fruit Loaf, by the way. Alright guys, we're outside now. Slightly better background for the bike and yeah, less messy. Yeah, a few days ago I Everested on this. Pretty tough. It wasn't the hardest ride I've ever done. 24-hour solo ride, definitely the hardest ride I've ever done. This was pretty damn hard though, but it was pumped. I got pumped because no one's ever Everested on a fixie before, so let's take you through. Usually I'll ride drop bars, put these on. Pretty damn light, they're aluminium. Took the bar ends out, that saved 6 grams. I was just going for a bike as light as possible. Not a light brake, but whatever. Lighter stem, Ritchie stem. Garmin mount. Garmin failed 2/3 of the way through, but oh well. Front wheel is a Zip 404, I think. Full carbon, tubular, say gator skin. Altogether this wheel is 800 grams total, which is crazy light. Borrowed a titanium and carbon thingamajiggy, saved like 9 grams off my track thingamajiggy. Had one brake. I was using old Tigra front brake, borrowed off Jack. I borrowed most of the stuff off Jack. Borrowed this off Jack, borrowed this off Jack. Yeah, just a little bit lighter than my Shimano 105. Crank set, Miche Pista cranks, 144 BCD, 165 length. I've been using these cranks for like 2 years, just like pretty standard cranks for track bikes. Cheap, cheerful. Some, I think they're XT mountain bike pedals. You're probably thinking, why are you using mountain bike pedals instead of road pedals? Because it was easier to clip back in at the bottom, didn't have to look down. And yeah, borrowed these off Jack. I've got like slightly heavier Shimano pedals, so yep. Chain ring, 42 tooth chain ring. I was like, I need the smallest gear possible and I don't want to be fucking around with changing the cranks. So I just went on eBay, searched up 42 tooth chain ring 144 BCD, because it's the smallest chain ring you can get on the 144 BCD. And yeah, it's just an old road thingy. Chain is a KMC like super light BMX chain, I think. I wasn't gonna bother changing the chain, but like the day before I Everested, I went to the shed to try and find some glue for something, and I just came across this, and I was like, wow, that's like 50 grams saved. So I put that on. Plus it's pink chain, nice. Rear wheel is a Halo Aerotrack wheel. It's aluminium, but reliable wheel, good bearings, relatively light for an aluminium rim. Yeah. Tire was a what's it called? Grand Prix 4000 S2, 23 mil. The front tire is 22 mil, by the way. Yeah, inner tube in here. I invested in a Supersonic Continental 50 gram inner tube. Worked fine, no problems there. Cog is a Brick Lane Bikes 23 tooth steel cog. It weighs 148 grams just on its own, but you can't really get a fixed gear cog any bigger than this. You can find 22s quite easy, but 23 is like rare as hell. I found that on LFGSS forum, so that was sick. So it's pretty much the smallest gear you can get on a fixed gear without changing the crank set. Seat post, just an inline carbon seat post I found on eBay a while ago, and saddle, 165 gram Solitaire Boller off Jack. And the frame is a Cougar. I don't even know what the make of the frame, but I've been riding this frame for 2 years now, pretty much every day, and it's pretty cool to have Everested on it. Historical. It's got these. Look at it's got like a cloverleaf sort of shape to the tubings. Don't know if you can really see it. Also a vegan sticker because represent. Got a new bottom bracket as well the day before. Just a Shimano bottom bracket. But yeah, I Everested on this bike, believe it or not. First Everest on a fixed gear. A vegan did it. And what's next? Probably try and do a 600k 24-hour ride. But yeah, look at that, nice and aero. Yeah, that's my Everesting bike check. Gonna have some more videos coming up soon. Took some footage during the ride, and now I'm ill because got chilly up there on the summit of Everest. Alright, peace guys, see you around.